Hi, I'm Alex. The corona pandemic has had a huge impact on our everyday lives. Hygiene, health, and safety have taken on a completely new importance. Even though a lot of work has already been undertaken in this respect, there are unfortunately still some gaps and weaknesses in this area. For example, even during a simple shopping trip, we come into contact with numerous surfaces which could be possibly contaminated with germs. This is where Polyfilm's clever solution comes into effect. Wherever there are lots of people, there are also many surfaces on which viruses and bacteria are only too happy to settle. Polyfilm's antiviral films help reduce these viruses and bacteria, including the coronavirus. For example, on the handle of the shopping trolley, on displays, and recycling banks. And it also works with many product packaging solutions. There are countless possible applications. And of course, the antiviral films are recyclable. Card readers and shopping dividers, right, everything is more hygienic. More hygienic and better protection when shopping thanks to Polyfilm. Check out more at polycare.com.